So for those who have already seen the angle sum property in my last video, you know that when you add all the angles, you get the sum to be 180. But when it comes in a form of a question, it gets a little complicated, especially when you don't pay attention. So if you get more than one triangles or attached angles to it, make sure you attempt one triangle at a time. To start up with the first one, you can see there is two triangles over here and there is some missing angles. So here I will be taking the first one. I have 60 and 50 and I have one missing angle. So I will add up with 180 minus 60 minus 50. So that gives me 180 minus 110 equals 70. Now when I have this one as 70, we know that vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. So I also have this one as 70. Now in the second one, in this triangle, I have 70, 40, and the last one is missing. So again, I have 180 minus 70 minus 40. That's 180 minus 110. Again, I have 70. So this one is 70 as well. Moving to the next triangle, again I have combination of two triangles. I have to see where I can find the first one. I will take this triangle. Now, the question might arise, why I'm not taking the other triangle? Because there is two angles missing and only one angle is given to me. So I have chosen this triangle since I have two angles given to me and one is missing. So again, 180 minus 30 minus 40. That's 180 minus 70 equal 110. So this one is 110. Now, to find this angle, I can use straight line property we have learned earlier. So that will be 180 minus 110 equals 70. So this angle is 70. Now in this triangle, I have 50, 70, and the third one is missing. So I'll be taking 180 minus 70 minus 50. So I have 180 minus 120. I have 60. That's this one. You can also do it in a different way because it is a right triangle. So this is 30 and this is 60. So you can also find it in that way. Moving to the third one, I have 130 and this is a straight line. So that gives me 180 minus 130 equal 50. That's 50 over here. Now moving to the inner triangle over here, I have 50, 60, and the third one missing. Again, 180 minus 60 minus 50. That's 180 minus 110. That's 70. Alright, so finally in this one, it's an inverted triangle. I have the triangle over here. I have 80, 40. And this one is missing. And the question is asking me for P. So first I need to find this one. So I have 180 minus 80 minus 40. That's 180 minus 120. So that gives me 60. So this one is 60. But the question is asking me for P. So again, I have the straight line. That's 180 minus 60 equals 120. You can also add up both of them and then say that this one is equal to the exterior angle. But I believe if you revise all of these things, you will have a clear thought about triangles.